It's the semi-final of the International Cup. They've faced so many international teams and just a few remain.
A lot of talk before the match about how these two will line up. Let's see what the managers have gone with.
It's a 4-2-3-1 formation, an attacking version of the 4-5-1 with three forward midfielders supporting the lone striker.
They're playing three at the front. It's a 4-3-3 formation.
This team are warming up. The kick-off is just moments away. The cheer goes up as we start the match. Cancelo. And he's given possession away in a dangerous place.
Oh, well intercepted.
Gallo in possession. A poor ball there. Quality defending there.
Really good possession here.
Here's Dembele. Will we see a goal? Costa blocks the shot.
Incredible reactions from the goalkeeper there to keep the shot out. Let's take another look. Now, what can he do from here?
Caught the defence sleeping here. Confident defending. Wins the ball.
Odegaard!
Good save. It was heading goalwards. He was so alert to the danger and reacted quickly. What a great save.
Now, what can they conjure up from this set piece?
Corner played short. An expert tackle. A missed challenge there. Has a crack. That strike was off target. The replay will give us a closer look. That's gone out for a throw-in. The defender regains possession, and now they're going to try and break.
What an opportunity!
Whipped in with pace. Gallo with the ball. Valverde tackles. A misplaced pass.
Oh, a chance now to turn defence into attack. Well, there's the half-time whistle. It wasn't a great opening 45 minutes, but we've got the second half and still plenty to play for.
They've made just one change for the second half. Some really fluid passing on display.
And this really takes the pressure off the defence.
It's a throw-in.
It really has been a clean game today. No cards just yet.
A quick sub could work wonders for the team.
Oh, this is crisp passing.
It's level. It looks like this scintillating football. That goal was a true team effort.
Well, they've taken the lead, and I wonder now whether that will give them some momentum for another goal. Let's have a look at that one again.
He couldn't have struck it any better. He unleashed that powerful possible substitution today. Trincao in possession. Cancelo drives forward. Their passing has been so accurate. Cancelo. With the ball. Well cut out. The fans are on their feet. Mbappe. Great play. He battled hard and has been rewarded with his first goal of the game. That was really well taken. Here's how they did it. Board is up and new players coming on. You can see from the bench that the manager's extremely pleased with his team's performance today. He's starting forward using the width of the pitch. They're so comfortable in possession. They're well ahead now and this should be the win for them. He comes forward with the ball. A goal in the other semi-final today. Will they build on their lead and book their place in the final? Safety first, back to the goalkeeper. Lionel Messi. It's opened up. Time for a fresh pair of legs here then.
They've put themselves a place in the final. Can they keep this amazing cup run up and secure the trophy in a few games' time?
Well, no arguments there. A great performance from a player who really is on top form.